Lead generation software is probably one of the most important pieces of your business puzzle. Today we're having a look at Snovio. We're also having a look at Apollo. We want to know how they can actually fit into your business puzzle and make your business lead generation amazing. Alright, so Snovio is really a lead generation tool that stands out with a bunch of awesome features. Some of their core features include their email finder and verifier. So this means you can access over 100 million validated contacts with real-time email verification technology that reduces bounce rates and improves your deliverable metrics. You can also see that it offers drip campaigns. So this allows you to create and automate sophisticated, not regular, but sophisticated, detailed, personalized email sequences with detailed performance analytics to nurture your leads through your sales funnels. And then it also has a technology checker. So this identifies the exact tech stack your target companies use, enabling highly tailored outreach strategies, and that it will now address specific pain points. This is how Snovio can boost your sales performance. So first of all, it connects with popular CRMs and marketing tools such as HubSpot, Pipedrive, and it creates unified workflows that eliminate your data silos. It also has browser extensions, so it has a Chrome extension that enables the one-click lead capture from LinkedIn profiles and company websites, which will definitely save you hours, trust me, hours of manual entry. And then it also has scalable plans that start at around $29 a month, depending on what your region is. And it makes enterprise-grade lead generation more accessible for SMBs and startups. The last thing over here is in some of their enhanced lead management. So it offers very sophisticated tools to organize, segment, and track your prospects with a great deal of precision. You can create custom lists, you can apply tags for easy filtering, and you can actually also set automated follow-up reminders to ensure that every lead receives timely attention. This streamlines your sales pipeline, making lead nurturing more efficient and more effective. It offers dynamic lead segmentation based on behavior as well as demographics, and customizable tags and notes for more detailed prospect profiles. And it also automates reminders and tasks for more consistent follow-ups. Having a look at Apollo.io now. So Apollo offers comprehensive sales intelligence and engagement. It is transforming the B2B sales process with an all-in-one platform that combines robust data intelligence with multi-channel engagement capabilities. This empowers teams, big or small, to connect with the right prospects at exactly the right time. Have you ever gotten an email at 3 o'clock in the morning and it has no resonance? And by the time you wake up and want to maybe run through that email again or check your to-do list, that email kind of just disappears into the rest of your emails or your communications or your workload. So having emails sent at the right time is important. So some of their additional key capabilities include a comprehensive B2B database. So this allows you to leverage access to over 270 million contacts in 60 million companies. It's enriched with real-time data to ensure accuracy and relevance for your outreach. Also, you can automate personalized multi-channel sequences, combining emails, calls, and LinkedIn messages to engage prospects at scale and nurture your leads effectively. You can also track every single sales activity and campaign performance with a detailed dashboard. And this, of course, will provide you actionable insights to optimize on your strategies and also ultimately improve your conversion rates. You can also integrate effortlessly with other CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and a bunch more, ensuring that all your sales data is synchronized, it's organized, and it's accessible for a streamlined workflow. The last thing over here is some of their advanced prospecting. So you can find your best prospects right over here. It helps you identify and reach out to prospects who are actively looking for solutions like yours, which will make your sales efforts more targeted and more effective. It also has powerful filters for precision, so you can actually refine your search with over 65 customizable filters to pinpoint your ideal customer. Some of these filters may include job titles, technologies they use, recent funding rounds, and a whole bunch more. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, what a head-to-head comparison. Now, my takeaway is always to go ahead and use the software, use multiple, and see what actually works for your specific situation, your specific scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.